Senior .NET devs, are you shipping 10 times more code, but spending 10 times more time on maintaining that code? Here's what nobody's saying out loud. AI doesn't eliminate technical debt, it accelerates it. Every line that Claude Code generates still needs to be maintained by you. And if your patterns aren't consistent, you're not building faster, you're creating a maintenance nightmare faster. Back in 2000, when I was creating e-commerce systems for all kinds of Fortune 500 companies, I realized something. Consistency is not about being rigid, it's about being maintainable. Every service, every repository or store, every controller follows the same shape. Not because I like rules necessarily, but because 6 months from now, any developer or any AI can read it and extend it without guessing. This is how you keep teams productive. There isn't a lot of wasted brain power trying to remember how things are done in the code base, or these days, wasted tokens. You already know this, but here's the mental shift. The bottleneck isn't writing code anymore. It's keeping the code consistent enough to easily change it later. In the age of AI, consistency is your only defense against your own productivity. Before your next AI assistant feature, ask yourself, does this follow the patterns we already have, or did I just let the LLM create a new one? If it's new, stop, codify the pattern first, and then let AI multiply it. AI amplifies whatever you already have. Good patterns become great, inconsistency becomes chaos. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.